Get ready to be amazed because this wait not swipe away just is officially taking over the internet. Wait, do not swipe away just yet. If you highly value smart solutions, you already know that it feels incredibly high quality. It is crafted specifically to make your life much smoother. What makes this so unique compared to ordinary items is that it delivers outstanding results instantly. No more wasting your hard-earned cash on things that break after 2 days. This piece is built tough, highly efficient, and super simple to operate. It is clearly shockingly good at what it does for anyone trying to upgrade their current setup. Demand is extremely high for this right now. Make sure you don't miss this opportunity right this second. Get ready to be amazed because this wait not swipe away just is officially taking over the internet. Wait, do not swipe away just yet. If you highly